Okay, you say bye-bye to Papa.
Bye.
Bye, Papa. Bye. Please, Papa. Please. Okay, bye.
I met Dottie through a friend who set us up. Naging blind date ba? Siguro I was 30 years old then.
So I struck him as a very nice man, no? Gentleman, mabait. Nagdasal siya sa Mother Mary to ask her to give him a wife, no? Sa Our Lady of Peña Francia. For him, ito na ang answer ng Mama Mary. Ako na rin, I also pray naman to Saint Joseph to help me also find a good man who will be a good husband and a good father to my children.
Okay, bye. Ikaw inside na.
Okay.
Okay. Well, from the time na kinasal kami, it was 1985. No? Tumahimik yung pamumuhay ko. It was really office, bahay, pamilya. Siguro nagsawa na rin ako sa kakalalabas ng mga panahong yon. Masaya ako being a family man. No? Nagkaanak kami kaagad. Kathleen came, and then after 3 years, si Christine, and then another 3 years, si Vicky Lou. Si Vicky Lou yung may anak naming may Down syndrome.
Who's that, Vicky? Who's that? Oh, you like YouTube now? Let's see. There's I want to play a game na lang with you. I didn't feel anything different when I was pregnant with Vicky Lou. It was just normal. Nothing different. After I gave birth, sinabi ni my mother-in-law to Tony before entering my room na you better see the pediatrician kasi something's wrong with the baby.
So I went to the office of Dr. Mabilangan. Pagpasok ko sa kanyang kwarto, sabi niya, Tony, maupo ka. May sasabihin ako sa tungkol kay Vicky Lou. May condition si Vicky Lou na tinatawag na Down syndrome. But huwag kang matakot because mamayang hapon, papadala ko sa iyo si Dr. Carmencita Padilla, who is a geneticist, para mapaliwanag sa iyo kung ano ang condition na Down syndrome. Hindi ito sakit. It's a condition. Di ba 23 pairs of chromosomes tayo? Yung number 21, instead na pares, isa galing sa nanay, isa galing sa tatay, merong pangatlo, aywan ko tumalon o nag-break. And because of that, kung titingnan mo silang lahat, yung mga batang may Down syndrome, magkakahawig, may mga siguro 10 features silang magkakatulad. So ang pinaka-importante dyan, hindi sakit ito, hindi nakakahawa, condition lang.
Of course, that time, no, umiyak na kami. Tapos sabi ni Tony, okay, tama na yung iyak, tama na yung iyak. We have to move on now. We have to already, take care of Vicky Lou. It took quite a while. In fact, I was always expecting a miracle, no, that Vicky Lou will change overnight, na it's just a dream, na hindi totoo ito. When I was breastfeeding her, I would say pa to the Lord, so, okay, Lord, ha, gawan ka ng miracle, ha. Si Vicky Lou nagbe-breastfeed sa akin. When I looked down at her, normal na siya. Kung gano'n, imagine, gano'n ang iniisip ko, ha. Sige, Lord, ha, gano'n, ha, gano'n, sabi ko sa kay Lord. Tapos, titingin ako, gano'n pa rin siya. Kathleen was mga 7, and then Christine was around 3 going 4. So I just explained to them that Vicky Lou is different, no? She's special. I tried to explain to them, but eventually they just accepted it. I have such good children. They were very understanding, very kind.
When Vicky Lou was born in 1991, my parents explained to my sister and I, my Achi, my older sister, that our younger sister Vicky Lou has Down syndrome. So they really just told us that she was special. So we accepted that she was different. One time, actually, when I was younger, Vicky Lou bit me on my chest, but I didn't do anything. As in, she was just on my chest, and I was screaming, so my mom could take her out, but I didn't push her or anything. So I guess that tested my patience.
Barney?
Oh, there, Barney. Barney is usually her favorite. When she was small, she learned to really speak because of Barney. Finish na? She really learned to speak and sing because of Barney. Why, it's finished na? You feel sad? Huh? Because it's finished? He really helps a lot, even if Vicky Lou's 25 years old. Iba-iba naman ang mga bata, no? Yung iba, many of our members have finished college pa nga in high school, no? But si Vicky, she's still in school. She's in transition class because eventually we'd like her to be trained also to work. But these are her likes. Iba-iba yung mga likes ng mga bata. So ito ang gusto niya. And, and she really likes it because that's when she talks eh. So she's not one who converses really, but when she has Barney and her iPad, then she starts talking, she starts singing.
Okay, my turn!
It's your turn?
Okay.
Okay? Okay, your turn. Okay, so change it already. I think I'm the one, more firmer. Ako ang nag-handle sa kanya, no? But she's very seldom she has tantrums. Very seldom. But maybe she was a little younger. But I was always very firm with her. So, like the way I was with my two girls. Kasi ako ang stricta, no? I'm the one strict. Parang gentle but firm. Kasi if you spoil them like any normal child, they will be a spoiled brat. Ikaw ang kawawa later. You know, especially when they grow older. Why? Why will you cry? Huh? Are you okay? Are you okay? Okay.
Morning. Hi. Tuloy po kayo. Welcome po sa Down Syndrome Association office. Dito po tayo sa Makati. And this is where we welcome new parents who have questions on their children. Pasok po. Ang una ho nyo makikita pag pumunta ho kayo dito ay si Adet de la Paz. Siya po ang ating general manager dito. May kapatid din ho siya na may Down syndrome.
Malaki yung nagiging impluensya ni Sir Tony Pasha sa mga miyembro ng Down Syndrome Association. Palagi niyang iniisip yung kapakanan ng mga bata, hindi lang yung mga bata, pati na rin mga pamilya ng mga batang may Down syndrome.
Itong mga batang may Down syndrome, hindi naman sila parang bata, no? Nung unang ang panahon, gawa ng itinatago mo sila at hindi exposed, may retardation sila. Mild to moderate ang retardation niyan. Now, depending on the exposure na gagawin natin bilang magulang, kung mas i-expose mo siya, makukuha niya yung optimum potential ng bata, lalabas. Habang itinatago mo siya, wala siyang i-engage, wala siyang natututunan, eh talagang hanggang doon na lang siya. Okay, ito po naman, packet of information na binibigay ho natin sa mga new parents. Nandito ho sa package of information, nakalagay ho yung mga, sinasagot po yung mga question nila kung ano ang Down syndrome, sino mga doktor nilang pupuntahan, ano pa yung mga schools. Nung ipinanganak nga si Vicky Lun at binisita na kami ni Doktora Padilla, itinanong ko kagad sa kanya, Doktora, meron po ba tayong malalapitan kaming asosasyon na mga parents na pwede kong mapagtanungan tungkol sa kondisyon ng kanilang mga anak? Sabi niya, unfortunately, wala. Pero sabi niya, 11 days ago, may isang magulang na nagtanong din yung question na yan. Pangalan niya Mr. Jerry Wamsley. Yung anak niya, lalaki, na may Down syndrome, na ipinanganak din dito sa ospital na ito. Alam ba niyo kung saan kumakakausap ito si Mr. Wamsley? Sabi niya, naku, hindi ko nga alam kung nasaan sila. But, sometimes the Lord has its way of just connecting you. Yung wish na maghahanap ng isang pamilya at wish namin, sinagot nung 6 months later, nagkita naman kami sa clinic nung isang doktora na dapat namin pupuntahan pareho. That's how it started.
Bibigyan ko kayo ng paper. Ang gagawin niyo, pwede kayong gumawa ng kahit anong gusto nyo. Kunyari, magdodrawing kayo, o kaya magsusulat kayo ng message, tapos ibibigay natin sa kanila.
Hello! Say hi!
Nung sumali ako ng DISAPI, all the parents are involved. So kami ni Adet, we thought of having a group na ang goal namin, magkita-kita kami every once in a while, tapos maggawa kami ng activities for the kids. meron kaming mga bonding moments.
Dear Mama and Papa, sana makasama na tayo lahat. Ayoko makiwalay sa amin. Papa, I love you. You are very much in my heart for me.
Why did we do it? Probably I cried the most when they told me that Vicky had Down syndrome. Not because of anything else, but I was wondering, I said, what will happen to my daughter when I'm gone? And so I said, I need an association. Mahirap kasi, you have a lot of friends who would run to you. Marami kami kaibigan na gano'n nung pinanganak si Vicky. They went to us, supported us, but we were looking for somebody who had a child. When we met the Wambi, it opened up a great big door. And I think it was really a blessing.
Kasi, British Bunso.
Ito talaga?
Si Bunso. Ito si Bunso. O, introduce mo si Bunso.
Napapaiyak ako kasi we don't really explain. Makikita mo siya, hindi siya, wala siyang words, diba? Makikita mo yung mararamdaman actually ng ibang tao kung paano pakita ng kapatid niya sa kapwa niya kapatid, yung love, kung paano niya protektahan.
You wonder how come I'm still crying after 25 years. Because the pain will never disappear. It's still there. But we're able to make it through. Kaya palagi pag may dadating na bagong pamilya, we feel with it. And I think that's a gift. And that's what we want to share in our community. The gift of tears, I told you, is one of the perhaps biggest gift that was given to me and perhaps to a lot of other parents.
Mahal na si Papa Rael. Papa, mahal si Mama, Mama, at si Baiti. Mahal na ni Miss Eda.
Wow! Ang sarap naman. Inggitan nanay.
Hindi po.
Hindi nanay. Hindi, nanay ako ni Ryan. Nanay
Kami po.
Nanay.
Nanay ko po.
Naniniingin niya, Ryan.
Bakit marunong ka pa? Nanay na rin niya ako.
Nanay ko po sa akin.
I'm a physical therapist kasi by trade. I do research on programs, physical fitness programs as well for special children. I used to focus on kids with autism. Tapos, I also work with kids with ADHD. I help them channel their energy. And right now, si Vicky Lu lang ang current student ko with Down syndrome. Stretch up, all the way, elbows up, and then counts. 1, 2, focus here, baby. 3, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And down. Touch the floor. Good, count.
I'm very happy because she's able to follow directions. She's able to concentrate. No, yun ang mga benefits niya. Ang attention span niya nga is very, very long eh. Most of all, she's able to enjoy also, no, this thing. But I think it's more of the, following directions, lengthening her attention span, listening, and of course, physically, no, natutulungan siya. Mataba pa rin, pero okay naman, at least na-help siya. No, and the physical therapist is able to address certain parts of her body that needs developing.
1, count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tummy goes in. Hold, count, chata. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tummy goes down slowly and rest. 2. posture has definitely improved. Si Vicky Lou used to be a bit slouchy. When she learned to hold herself up and really show her face to people, I can even sense a sense of confidence in her. Pagka kausap ko siya and she laughs more, she talks more with people, naipagkwentuhan siya. There has to be a link somewhere there, but I am not entirely sure how. The posture does help. High five. High five. It's a good girl. It's a good girl. You're a good girl. It's a good girl. Okay, time to away hour. Math. Okay, that's all up our math.
Where are you going? Going to the parlor, yes, to have your hair, what, fixed, and to put makeup. Will you be okay? Ride the kalesa and what? And wear your gown. I always tell her kasi ahead, I prepare her. You're going to wear a gown, ha? Long gown. You're going to, you're going to have this. You're going to go to the parlor. Papagawa ka, gano'n. Tanggap. Okay lang siya. I have to just tell her ahead na itong mangyayari. No? Which I always did, no? Because nakuha ko ito from, also from a mother who has a child with Down syndrome. When I had Vicky Lou, parang sinabi sa akin niya na you have to prepare them. You have to tell them it's time to sleep, it's time to eat, it's time to take a bath, it's time to do this, time to this. So that they know there's a time for everything. She's really growing up na. Yeah, tanggap ko na rin she's a grown up. But there are times also parang she's still my baby and all that. Pero I have to accept it na that she's growing up. Pero nagulat na lang ako na siyang napili. So that means my 3 girls, lahat sila naging sagala. Even their sister who has Down syndrome, kaya rin, no? Naging sagala, no? Everything is possible when you just allow the child to grow, to do all the things that she can do. Of course, when I see her having makeup and all that, parang feeling ko parang mother of the bride ako. I feel so proud na thank you, Lord, na you gave us this blessing na yung pala she'll be able to experience this too, just like what my 2 girls experienced. Okay, ready? Smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Okay, Vicky, smile.
Smile, Vicky, smile. Vicky, smile. Smile. This year, Makati City said that ang mga sagala nila will be persons with disability. So, nagpili-pili lahat yung mga barangay ng Makati na PWD. Si Vicky Lou pinili. No, siya ang nag-represent ng aming barangay. We're always thankful because of Vicky Lou, we're able to do our mission that God gave us to share our advocacy which is to help persons with disabilities, not only as one of the founding members of the Down Syndrome Association of the Philippines, a parent support group, but we were able also to help here in our barangay. Meron kami ding persons with disabilities group, BSL Perdisco. Ang Perdisco means persons with disabilities and company. So, Barangay San Lorenzo, persons with disabilities and company. Ano yon? BSL Perdisco. And company, that means kami ang company. No, kami ang membro din kami, mga parents, siblings, no, membro rin kami. Hindi lang ang PWD. Of course, tuwang-tuwa ako, no? And Vicky Lou was very cooperative. Sumakay siya sa kalesa. Natatakot ako. Akong takot. Sabi nga yung yung kagawad namin, stage mother daw ako. So, kasi takot na takot ako, ganon. Pero nagdasal na lang ako sa Lord, bahala ka na, guardian angel of Vicky Lou, guard her na lang, no, ganon. Miski yung escort niya, guardian angel of Leonid, sabi ko, guard them na lang, no, ganon. Sabi ko na lang, take care of them. Every achievement she makes, like tumalon siya, saya-saya namin, you know, yung mga little things, no, that we take for granted, no, normally, na when my two girls were growing up, parang happy din tayo. Pero ito si Vicky Lou, talagang masaya kaming lahat, no, miski talon na konti, na marunong na siya tumalon. So, saya na kami, na lumakad na siya, nagsalita siya, gano'n. Every achievement she makes, we're all so happy.
Kung isinakay siya sa kalesa, alam ko na first time siyang sumakay sa kalesa. Hindi ko alam kung ano magiging reaction niya sa experience yun. So minabuti ko na sabayan ang lakad. No? Unang-una na nga for safety reason. Pero hindi naman ito naiiba. For 25 years, kasama namin siyang nilalakad ang kahit na anong maliliit na milestone na dinaanan niya. And kung yung paglalakad na yun, it's just part of it.
Dito, kaya pa po? Kaya pa.
I think Tony and I realized that it is God's mission for us. May plano ang Diyos sa amin. That's why binigay niya si Vicky Lou sa amin.
Salamat na lang sa Diyos na a year after the birth of Vicky Lou, napasama rin kami sa community ng Couples for Christ. Through the invitation of my cousins, naging mas madasalin ako. The first 3 years were probably yun ang pinakamahirap. Ang pinakamalaking tulong sa amin at that time was also the Couples for Christ community. May kasama kami nagdadasal eh. Kung may kasama kaming sa support group ng Down syndrome ng mga ibang magulang, may kasama naman kaming pamilya rin na sa support group na mga nakakasama namin nagdadasal sa spiritual side. Stand up, Vicky. We're going down. We're going down. Come on, stand up. Sa blessing, sa aming mag-asawa, siguro siya na pinakamalaking blessing namin. Of course, our other children are blessings as well, no? Pero kasi ang pagkakaiba dito, mas lalo kaming naging malapit.
Before, sabi ko, gusto ko yung miracle na tutingin akong gano'n, tapos God will make a miracle. Normal na si Vicky Lou. For me, no. I will not exchange Vicky Lou for anything. I will still accept her for what she is. And I'm still thankful to God that God gave her to us because she was really a blessing to us. She has changed our family.
Nung una nga, tinatanong ko nga, in hindsight, natatawa na ako. Sabi ko, Diyos ko naman, bakit naman sa amin mo pa ibinigay itong si Vicky Lou? Ba't hindi naman doon sa masungit kong kapitbahay kaya? And ngayon ko sasabihin, hindi ko pagpapalit si Vicky Lou sa buhay namin. Hindi ko bibigay siya sa salbahe kong kapitbahay. Dito siya, sa bahay namin. Dito siya, mamahalin. Dito siya, papalakihin. And kami ay nagpapasalamat at nabiyayaan ng anak na may Down syndrome. Ako si Tony Pasha at ito ang aking istorya.